What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day. I've finally received my new Total BMX bike. She's come in the mail in a super big box. Me and Chris built up the wheels a little earlier here at the village, and now it's time to build the rest of the bike, so let's do it. Alright, put the wheels aside. Alrighty, so starting it off, I just got the Webby Show frame, 21-inch top tube, and I've got a Webby Show seat too in the nice Swag Daddy camo beast. I love it. I'm a fan of the camo seat, so let's keep moving on. I might go put the bottom bracket bearings in now and stuff, so to save the whole stuffing around. So I'll be back up with the bearings in. Okie dokie. So just put the bottom bracket in. I've got 22mm Total BMX hangover cranks with the 28 tooth rotary sprocket. Just gave my bottom bracket a little splatter as well. She's looking mint, but yeah, time to put the cranks on. Okay, so moving on to the forks. I'm just going to run the Webby Show TWS Total BMX forks. I've never run these before, but I'm going to give them a good old test. Also, I'm going to put this Killer Bee top cap on. The last little piece to the puzzle is the rainbow top cap, so I think it looks sick. Alrighty, so the forks are now on. We got the Webby Show forks. I have some Total BMX Killer Bee bars, 925 high, 30 wide. I actually love these bars so much, they're so good. I put them on a little while ago, so they're not fresh, but whatevers. The last thing we got to put on these bad boys are the wheels. Alright, so I've got some Total BMX Spitfire rims, the new ones that just come out. I've just flick painted them. There's a little tutorial I've done on my YouTube, you can check it out, how I do it, or the technique that I use. But I've got a Total BMX Tech V2 hub with a titanium axle, so it's nice and light. And that's the front wheel setup. Okay guys, I have completed my bike build. The one thing I have to do is just put a chain on, but I don't know, I can't be bothered doing that right now because it's a hassle. But anyway, this is the final outcome. I am absolutely so stoked. Thank you so much to Total BMX. Thank you so much to the village as well. Oh, dude, I am keen to ride this weapon of a BMX. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below. All of these parts here are available at thevillagebmx.com. Go check it out. I hope you enjoyed this bike build because I am so stoked on my new bike, and here she is.
That's a nice looking car.
What's up, people? It is the next day. I'm here at the village, just testing out the new whip. She's freaking unbelievable. But as you guys may know, when you're testing out a new bike, there's always things you got to adjust and fix. So it's kind of frustrating that I can't get a proper session in without something, you know, getting loose or whatever. Just got to wear the bike in. Okay, so I've received my new package. The Voltron V2 frame I'm getting painted at the moment. We're gonna get some speckle paint on that and it'll be done in the giveaway. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little bike build. Special thanks to the village, special thanks to Total BMX. And make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe and stay tuned for the giveaway because it's coming real soon.